Hey everyone, today we're gonna make a quick little steak sandwich, steak sandwich today. Could have did a burrito, but let's just do a steak sandwich. So I got some meat from the other day that I didn't use. You know what, since it's a breakfast sandwich, I want the meltability of a Kraft single. Possibly 2 eggs. Just getting all my ingredients out. And of course I need my jalapenos, and then I'm gonna cut up some onions real quick too. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use. Let's heat this up so we can get some. Let's see, what pan should I use? Probably the medium-sized one will work. Yeah. So get that going. We got that. I'm gonna use my mandolin slicer for my onions. Let that heat up. And yeah, I'm not trying to make a mess, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, we got my onion right here. What we're gonna do is just peel back the skin, because we don't want that in there, and then we're just going to use the mandolin slicer to cut the onion into nice thin strips or rounds, however you want to call it. There we go. Okay, that'll be fine. Now let's get it on as thin. It's 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 millimeter. I love onion with my meat, so let's do, maybe I did a little too much. Oh well, we'll see how much we need to use. Is this warm enough yet? Some extra virgin olive oil. Maybe that was too much as it is. You know what I'll do? Some of that oil I can use for this bread. So let's move this out of the way. And bread knife. Baked some bread yesterday, and that's why I decided to make a steak sandwich. And I want the tallest pieces of bread, so I'm gonna cut it right in the middle. Okay. Right there. Slice on this side. And another slice on this side. And I can use some of this oil. Oh, whoops, it's alive. Boom. Man, I already got this heating up, so I'll let that oil toast up. Okay. Now I need just a tad bit more oil, but that thing's warm enough. Move this out of the way. Don't need that no more. Let's throw in this meat. Okay, there we have the meat. Now we're gonna add some of these onions too. This will be my basis for my steak sandwich. You know what, these onions are gonna melt down, so we'll be fine. The rest of this I can save it for another time. So let's put that in there. Let's put away this onion too. But yeah, mandolin slicers are great. A really good tool to have in your kitchen. I'm gonna need to wash that. And then this bread, use it for French toast, sandwiches, croutons, anything really. So if you want to learn how to make bread, watch my other video. It's probably one of my earlier videos. Really great thing to do. Okay, and then we have some avocado. Yeah, let's slice up a little bit of avocado too. You know what? I'm gonna throw some jalapenos up in here too. I wasn't gonna cook them, but I'm gonna need to add some salt to those onions. Get some spice on here. There you go. Letting the meat brown on the bottom at least. Okay, put that away right there. I'm gonna need some mayo too for my steak sandwich. Probably needs to be higher. Got 2 eggs, some cheese. Mayo right here. Oh, we need to wash this. Used this for some brownies last night. Really good stuff. So yeah, on all my videos, I'm always telling you guys, wash your dishes as you go. It's so nice to have a clean kitchen. And plus, you don't want to be messing with your food too often, so yeah, just wash as you go, my friend. Okay. Okay, let's see. Do we have some color on there? Oh, sweet. You'll see how these onions will just become very, and once they lose their color, I mean, all the water content, they're gonna get so small. There we go. Let's check up on the bread. Still needs plenty more. This meat will be ready pretty quickly. This could be a lunch sandwich if you really wanted it to as well. Probably not gonna use all of it. I don't know if it'll all fit on there, but we'll see. We'll see. Should I do avocado? Nah, I'll be fine without it. Just the egg, steak, jalapeno, onion, and of course, the eggs on it makes it a breakfast sandwich, right? Oh, this one's starting to brown up. Guess it's warmer on this side. I'll use this for the mayo too. Steak and onions go so well with each other. Okay, there we go with that, and now I'll probably put this to the side because that should be finished. And then I'll probably cook the eggs in here as well. Trying to mix in the onion as evenly as possible, because right now it just seems like it's all together. You know, if the steak was more like one whole piece, it would be easier to put it on there, but it'll be fine. So here we go. Put this right here. Check on this bread. Nice, that one's looking good. That one's starting to char on that side. We'll still want it a little bit longer. Let's get that going. Okay, the egg trick. Crack your eggs amongst each other. That will prevent, you know, any excess shells from falling into the pan. It's like a smoother, cleaner break. There we go. Some salt, some pepper. Maybe with one egg. Yeah, one egg should have been good. Let me separate them a little bit. Okay, there we go. Some salt, some pepper. I'll flick in some water in there so then the whites can set. Do want them over easy like this, or not even over easy, but just cooked on one side. Turn it down a little bit. Cracked pep. Okay, get some water. Get that in there. Create some steam. That way the yolk's set. Turn that down. Let that do its thing. Let's flip these. The bread is developing color nicely. Now let's add some pepper to this as well. Okay, it's toasting up quite quickly. Okay, that egg is ready. Let's pull this off the heat. Don't want them yolks to overcook. Oh, there you go. The bread's about to be ready. And then we'll assemble. Okay. Let's get started with this one. Turn this off. A little bit of mayo. Both sides. There we go. Steak. Here. Try to assemble it as nicely as possible. There we have that. The cheese. You know what, I'll probably put some more on top. There you go. And get one of the eggs on there. Sheesh, look at that. Guess that'll probably be the thumbnail. Look at that. Breakfast steak sandwich. Oh, it's gonna be hot. All right, let's crown it. And that yolk is likely gonna pop. Oh, there it goes. All right, let's give it a taste. I'm nodding right now. This is good. All right, let's get another bite because there's a lot of bread. I didn't really get into the steak. Oh, fantastic. A lot of good umami flavors. Steak with the onion, a little bit of tang from the jalapeno, pickled jalapeno, the meltability of the cheese, the yolk. Oh my god, this is great. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Simple one today. All right, take care.